Post-game press conference. Congratulations to the PLDT high-speed heaters for beating the Signal HP Spikers in 4 sets. The high-speed hitters are now at 5-3. We have Coach Raldi Caport, Sabi Jameson, and welcome back, Team Kiana B. Coach Ral, congratulations for this bounce-back win. So, first of all, what can you say about Kiana's sweater for the first time since 2023, and how does it feel na to win again after losing your previous match?
Actually, dapat hindi pa siya today kasi based dun sa progress ng recovery niya, kakatry niya lang mag back-to-back. Okay, naka-isang beses pa lang siya mag back-to-back na hard training. So, in-incorporate pa lang natin siya unti-unti. Pero, nasubukan na maaga-aga. Muntik pang... Pero happy kami na unti-unti na siya nakakabalik. Saka... unti-unti na siya nakakabalik, saka dadandahanin na namin ulit ng pag-i-incorporate sa kanya. Pero yun nga, yung tagal nung sa recovery niya, we've been very patient naman, no? Hindi lang naman yun judgment ng para hindi siya gamitin all this time. Talagang complicated, saka mahirap yung naging process nung sa kanya. Kahit siya nagiging impatient na rin at times, pero gustong talaga namin na pag nakabalik siya, less na yung iisipin niya, saka talagang fluid na yung galaw. Pero yun nga, at least nasubukan namin ngayon. Hopefully, magtuloy-tuloy na yung recovery.
Thank you. To Sabi at 23 points on 21 attacks and 2 blocks. So first of all, how does it feel to play together with Kiana? And what can you say about your bounce back win?
I'm just super proud of her in general for, we always see her working hard. She races to practice after she goes 6 a.m. workouts. So it's finally coming together, and I'm super proud of her for that. And for the bounce back, we're just happy to, again, just have another win in our bracket and just to keep competing and finally have some motivation going into our next game. So hopefully we continue.
Thank you. And to Kiana, first game since 2023. So when you entered the fourth set, what can you say about when you entered the court in the fourth set?
Of course, super excited, and I mean, I haven't played the game for more than a year now, and to be with new teammates, with me being with new I mean, since I'm new sa team. Super excited to play with, because I was with my team before for the past years, and just to play with new faces is such so refreshing, and yeah, I was just really happy and excited to be part of the team inside.
Alright, thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Kiana, ano lang ang pakiramdam nung pumasok ang kasabay mo yung Lasal teammates mo si Kim at si Mika?
Yeah, I mean, kahit new, parang may familiar faces pa din. Parang siyang naging mini reunion with Sabi, with sila Kat. So, super happy. I mean, choosing PLDT also with sila Ate Lasal people. So, it's been an easy transition for us in PLDT, so really happy for that.
Kiana, in total 550 days since her last PBL game. 559 days since her last PBL game. So siguro in between that time, what can you say is the biggest change in you as a player? What's that change from the F2 days, the Lasal days, to what we can expect from you as a PLDT player na talaga this?
Biggest change? I guess as a player, I've been more patient with myself, because the journey of me being here right now wasn't really easy. It's been a hard year.
Ready?
I'm still trying to get to my 100%, and I'm slowly getting there. Yeah, it hasn't been easy, but thankfully with my teammates and my coaches, they make it easier for me. Kahit hirap na hirap na ako. Yeah.
And for Savvy, the past few games, it's been up and down for PLDT. I guess for you, you've been the go-to scorer with that core of the offense. So with this game, what would you like more about how the team played?
I think we're relying more on other people. I think coach is doing a really good job at trying to shuffle in those people and seeing, how they take that opportunity. We're just looking for that extra person, and now that, KPD's back, hopefully we get a little help, but overall, the girls are working twice as hard in the gym. We're just trying to get to where all of our rotations are, productive at some point. So that's the goal as of now, especially going into some harder teams.
And coach, siguro after nga po ng medyo yung up and down ng previous games, ano yung nagustuhan niyo din about today's game na dapat niyo siguro ma-keep for the rest of the way para mas magtuloy-tuloy na din yung results for you?
Siguro more of paano kami mag-respond galing sa mga losses. Kasi every time natalo, ang daming mini issues na lumilitaw na irrelevant naman sa amin. So, talagang i-focus lang talaga yung team kung saan yung goal natin.
For Coach din Golden, yung 2-0 lead na kuha pa ng signal yung third set, and then muntikan nga rin yung fourth set. What was the problem? Parang may nakita ko kayo recurring na nagagawa ng team na parang hindi naman dapat, hindi naman talaga yung inaayos siya to begin with.
Actually, wala naman masyado. It's more of effort talaga ni Signal na dahil nga 2 sets down na sila. Talagang umi-effort naman kahit sino na yun na yun, padulo na So ibibigay mo na lahat. Nagkataon lang nga rin na gumanda yung passing nila, tapos nahirapan kami mag-block dun sa mga quick plays sa mga combination. More of gano'n naman. Yun naman yung na-ready namin from the start din. So happy naman kami na by the fourth na control agad.
Coach, yun last game, si Saki finished with 27 points. Pero other than that, wala nang ibang may double digit. Nagkaroon ba ng emphasis sa team na kumbaga talaga kailangan there has to be another scorer for the team, not just her?
Yun lang actually pinag-usapan namin. Na may mga times na games na may medyo mental game. Pero from the last game, present naman yung mga tao. Pero at this level na lahat nag-i-improve, kailangan talaga ng output ng at least 3 to 4 spikers aside dun sa pinoproduce ni Sam. So doon naman kami nag-focus nung 4 days na preparation na at least lumitaw naman ngayon. Ay, lumitaw ba? Correct. Kung may ibang nag-double digit.
Meron po si Erica at si Ajoy.
15 si Erica. Ito naman yung ina-explain sa kanila palagi na kailangan numbers namin at least 3 na double digit from dun sa pinoproduce ni Sab. Pag wala yun, tapos nag-ikot na rin kami ng tao, nahirapan din. Mahihirapan talaga.
Then Coach,
Hahanapin na.
so Coach, looking ahead na din, I know patient pa kayo kay Kiana,
Yes.
with her return.
Yeah.
Pero gano'ng malaking bagay lang din yun na, at some point, hopefully she finds her 100% fully healthy na yung given scorer siya talaga for me.
Actually, kahit nung kababalik-balik niya lang sa training, malaking bagay yung presence niya. I mean, kahit pa unti-unti lang siya sa scrimmage, siya pa rin yan Kahit hindi pa 100%, yung Kian ng nakakalaro nung first 6, nakakatulong sa improvement namin So, yun nga, andun siya, yung mga ibang subs namin, nagtatrabaho pa rin naman ng mahirap. Ayun yan, sila Jessie, sila Mika. So yun nga, happy kami na at least nadagdagan ulit kami na alam namin makakatulong sa improvement natin.
Guards versus Savvy, 24 points, 22 attacks, 2 blocks, 12 digs, and 10 receptions. Coach, Ngayon, with the win, top 6 kayo. So, it's very important for you to at least to stay within the top 6 range para maganda yung rankings nyo heading to the next round. So, how are you gonna treat this remaining games para syempre, pabigat na ng pabigat yung laban for play 6, okay?
Yun nga, hindi siya dadali eh. So, next game namin, farm. Nag-i-improve din yung farm. After nun, Creamline pa. Tapos, mag-out of town na kami with Zeus na mahirap din. So, imbis din na isipin pa namin yung dulo, yung mga bandang dulo. Talagang cliche na one game at a time. Kasi, ganun yung conference kayo, mahaba, na maraming challenges, na kailangan ng improvement every game. Pero yun nga, basta detect namin yung challenge na ma-maintain yung slot or makaangat.
And to Sabi, as what coach said, the last 3 matches, it's gonna be a top search for you guys. So, what can you say?
We just got to keep moving forward. I think the biggest goal is just to keep improving game by game and not letting those errors accumulate. I said to the team before we started playing, we just got to control our side. I think at this point, we're our biggest enemy. You know, we just give away points sometimes, but once we get that under control, I think everything will come together and hopefully by the end of the season, we'll be able to compete fully 100%.
Thank you, Coach Ral, Sabi, and Kiana. Welcome back. Good night.